back to my channel. I know I'm looking all rough, but whatever. It's just been one of those mornings. So I thought I'd get up today and just do something a little different for y'all, and that would be a small apartment tour. It's an apartment that my boyfriend and I, we shared together. We packed up and left Mississippi about 3 or 4 months ago because it's Mississippi. So yeah, we moved to Texas and we've been loving it ever since. So I just thought I'd share our space with y'all. So let me know if y'all like anything, or if you got any questions or suggestions, because the apartment is not all the way complete in my opinion. It's about 90% complete. I still got like some stuff I want hung up on the walls, but wall decor is so damn expensive, girl, who knew? So yeah, I'm still working on that. It's not like a big luxurious apartment or anything. It's just a modest, affordable, in a really great area type of apartment. So if you're starting off as a new renter out there, I'm not a new renter, but if you are, then I think this tour would be nice for you, because you see what you're gonna get. You're gonna get, so stick around. Okay, so starting off, we have, you know, just when you first walk in, this is what you see. There's no formal entryway or anything like that. Disclaimer, disregard my pile of laundry right there, y'all. It is laundry day and I have no shame in my game. Yeah, so this will be considered the little dining area, breakfast area, whatever you want to call it. Got this table from Wayfair. Hate to say it, because y'all know all the stuff that's going on with them all over social media. I don't know if it's true or not, so I'm gonna stay away from them for the time being. But yeah, so I got that from them. And it was originally in my sunroom, but we ended up getting a bigger dining table, so we moved it out of the sunroom and put it over here, and it works out great because it's just my boyfriend and I actually want to add some, I don't know what, but I want to add some stuff on this wall because it's so blank over here and I hate it. But yeah, eventually I will. I don't know if I want to add like a really big mirror or like some big photos, or I don't know. So give me some suggestions, y'all. Then coming into the living room, I also got this sofa off of Wayfair. Wayfair has furnished a good little bit of stuff in this apartment, so this is before all that bullshit went down with them. I love this couch. This couch is so soft, y'all. Everybody who comes here and lays on it or sits on it, they just go on and on about how comfortable it is. I got this coffee table from Amazon, actually. It was pretty easy to put together. I did it all by myself, and if I can put it together, I'm pretty sure anybody can, because yeah. I do not like these pillows that came with the couch. I've been saying for months that I'm going to change them, but I haven't. So probably still going to be working on that. This wall, y'all, forever, I do not know. I have been trying to decide forever like what to do with it. So I don't know. I just started turning it into like a gallery wall. I want to add more pictures. But I don't know. At first I wanted to do like a grass wall. Y'all know that fake grass people put on their walls. I wanted that so bad, but I read a lot of reviews on Amazon and people were like, it stains your walls green, and I don't need those problems. And then from the couch, we have our TV entertainment center thing. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, this TV is massive. Like, this is what happens when you leave all the electronic stuff up to your boyfriend. He comes home with this damn monster and actually puts it up on the wall. So, well, my uncle actually mounted it for us, but yeah. Yeah, so that's his gaming system and stuff, and yeah, our degrees and diplomas and stuff. So yeah, that's about it for the living room. Nothing too crazy or grand. And before we go into the sunroom, this I really hate this thing, y'all. Like, my boyfriend insisted on getting it. He's such a hoe for basketball. So I just figured, why not? I just hate it so much, y'all. It's so ugly and so tacky to me. So right off the living room, we have our sunroom. And excuse that stupid little basketball that goes to the goal. I want to find some stuff to put on those shelves on the dining table. Backstory, I didn't know this when I first moved in. I wasn't expecting the theme of my apartment, the theme color, to be black. So I had already purchased this dining room table and I couldn't get a refund or anything on it, and it's brown, and I was like, it doesn't match. It's not the original centerpiece that I want on the table. There's just something I got to hold over. I want to put like a big nice piece of greenery on it. I don't know. But yeah, I think this sunroom, I think back in the day the sunrooms in these apartments actually used to be balconies, and they ended up converting them into sunrooms because we have this window that goes right into our bedroom. So yeah, it's kind of weird, but I get it. It is extra space. And right off of the living room there is the kitchen. So yeah, nothing too crazy, just regular old black appliances. I didn't really decorate this because there's not much that you can do to decorate it. So yeah, right on through the kitchen is the laundry area with extra storage. So this area is pretty spacious, and I'm so appreciative of that because yeah, I spent a lot of time in this area doing laundry and everything. Okay, then coming in we have our hallway right off of the living room, and that's me. So yeah, this is the bathroom. I keep a lot of stuff on the counter because this is a lot of stuff that I use daily. Like, I'm not about to be going in and out of cabinets every time I need something. So all the stuff that we use all the time, yeah, I just keep it up here neatly. So yeah. And then my boyfriend is also a diehard Dallas Cowboys fan. And I was not about to put any cowboy logos or anything in this house, but I did compromise and give him the Dallas Cowboy colors. So if that ain't good enough, honey, I don't know what is. And last but not least, we have our bedroom. So this is it, and that's that window I was telling y'all about in the sunroom that looks over into our bedroom. So yeah, like I said, I think that there definitely used to be a balcony at some point in time, and they just converted it. So yeah, that's another monstrous TV that my boyfriend had put up. This is our bed. We didn't think it was gonna fit because it's a king size, and I thought when we first moved in empty that this bedroom looked kind of small, but it fits this bed pretty comfortably. I got the bed, unfortunately, from Wayfair. I got this comforter set from Amazon, and I really love it, y'all. It's so soft. It's so soft. We have these little black storage bins things, drawers or whatever you call them, on each side of our bed. That's my boyfriend's side, and this is my side. I don't know. I've thought about doing end tables. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm still in the process. Like I said, it's all still a work in progress. I definitely want to add something on this wall above my bed. So I really don't know. I've been looking at some pictures on Amazon, but yeah, like I said, stuff is just so expensive to go on the wall, and I just don't know why. And this is just my dresser with all of my girly things on there. My little salt lamp, my incense burner, and all my smell goods and shades and stuff. My boyfriend, ghetto ass, has to go to sleep with a box fan, and he picks the ugliest color in the store. I don't know. But yeah, and I love this view, y'all. Like, it might not look like much, but such good sunlight comes through. Like, some mornings when I wake up and the blinds are open, I just lay in bed for hours. You know, it's so peaceful in the morning time. And I just stare out the window. This corner, just this little mirror right here. I didn't know where else to put the mirror. It didn't match with anything else in the apartment, so I just figured, why not? I put it in that corner and tucked it away. In our closet. So it's a bear that my boyfriend got me like sometime around Valentine's Day. Yeah, this is his side, and this is excuse my junk, y'all. And this is my side. And let me tell y'all see how this side is shorter than this side? Well, when we first moved in, I went straight to the closet and started hanging stuff up, not realizing that this side was so much taller. So y'all, I had put all my stuff, I had put all my stuff over here. And then all my purses and everything was up there. And I used to struggle to get stuff down. Like, shit would just like fall down on my head and everything. I went out of town recently for 4th of July. And when I came back, my boyfriend had swapped everything. Because y'all, he's like 6 feet something. I don't know. But he had swapped everything around for me, y'all. So he actually swapped all his stuff over to the taller side and gave me the shorter side. And my life has been so much easier. And I love him so much for that. That was so sweet and unexpected. It was left up to me, it would have never gotten done because look at all this stuff. Like, look at all these clothes. Like, who was gonna do it, boo? Who was gonna redo this closet? So yeah, I think he missed me while I was away. And he just wanted to do something nice. Y'all, this is my boyfriend's old work uniform. Why he still has this? Because he does not work for this crappy ass company no more. I do not know. And then when he left the company, he wasn't even wearing this uniform anymore. He was promoted to management. So why he still has it, I don't know. I guess he just missed the company.